Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see that how we can attach the extruder kit with Nema 17 motor for our 3D printer. So I have Ender-like extruder kit. So we can also say the Mk8 Extruder kit for Nema 17 for 3D printer. So these are the necessary components that we are going to need for our Mk8 kit. So you can see here this is a complete kit for extruder, and this is Nema 17 motor, and this is motor mount, and these are the Allen keys that we are going to need to mount this extruder kit on the motor. So first of all we are going to place this mount on the motor, then we will attach the first plate of extruder kit on this plate. After that we will attach some screws from here. Let me attach the screws first. So first of all we will take out the components. You can see here we have some screws. This is the pulley, this is bearing, and this is PTFE mount, and here is the spring that we are going to attach. So let me attach the screws on this mount. We will attach one screw here, the other one is here, and the third one is here, and this one we will attach at the last when we will place this component here. Then we will insert the screw here. So let me attach the components first. So this is how you will attach this plate on the motor mount. After that we will attach this pulley on the motor shaft here, and for that we are going to use this small Allen key. So let me attach this pulley on the motor shaft. So as you can see here we have attached the motor pulley on the shaft. You can see the direction of the pulley is opposite because we have to check out that it should align with the hole of this motor extruder plate, so that it can push the filament towards the nozzle. So this is how you are going to attach the pulley, and after that we will attach this last piece on the plate here. And for that first of all we will attach this bearing on this slot here, and for that we are going to use this small washer and this screw here. So we will insert that in this part, and after that we will attach the spring here. You can already see that I have already placed the screw here, and one screw is attached here so that we can attach the spring in between them. So it will fix the spring and it will not move out of this extruder kit. So let me attach the bearing, and after that we will attach this final screw to mount the extruder kit. You can see here that I have completely mounted these plates on the motor mount and Nema 17 motor. So let me give you the final review. So first of all we will attach this motor mount on the Nema 17 motor, and we will insert this plate of extruder kit on the motor mount, and we will attach 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3rd from the top right corner. And after that we will attach this pulley, and after attaching pulley we will attach the bearing on this mount here, and after that we will insert the spring between them, and we will finally fix the screw here, and we will complete our extruder kit. So this is the last remaining part. We will use it for PTFE tube. So this is the final extruder kit you can see here, and to attach this kit we used 4 Allen keys. You can see here these are the 4 Allen keys that we used. Small one is for the pulley, this one is for the last screw, and this one is for the 3 screws that we attach on the bottom. and this one is for the bearing screw. So I hope you have understand that how you are going to attach this extruder kit on the motor and what components you are going to use. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.